I'd like to give you Asprova demonstration of sample 1. This is Asprova. Firstly, we open item table. This factory is making product A. I'll show you how you make product A. Select graphical display. This is product A process. Firstly, you input product A material to mixing process. Mixer 1 machine do the mixing. And next process is packing. And machines are packer 1 or packer 2. And third process is inspection. And resources inspection center 1. And then product A will be made. I will show you more detailed definition of product A. You click spreadsheet display. And when you make product A, you do mixing, packing, inspection. And mixing process, you must input product A material. Quantity is 1 to output 1 quantity. And you use mixer 1 machine, and setup time needs 10 minutes. Production speed is 15.1 minutes per piece. Teardown time needs 10 minutes. And next process is packing. You can use either packer 1 or packer 2. Packer 1 speed is 10.8 minutes per piece. Packer 2 speed is 22 minutes per piece. And third process is inspection. You use inspection center 1, and production time is 20.1 minutes per piece. And this time constraint means that this ES 120 means that the end time of mixing process and the start time of packing process must have more than 120 minutes waiting time. From packing to inspection, waiting time should be more than 60 minutes. After you assign master information, you must define order information. There are 3 orders. Line 1 means you must produce product A. Due date is June 7th, 12 o'clock. Quantity is 50 and priority is 99. And second line means that you must produce product A. Due date is June 7th, 12 o'clock. Quantity is 30 and priority is 98. And third line means you should produce product A. Due date is June 10th, 17 o'clock. Order quantity is 60 and priority is 80. This blue one, priority from 50 to 90, we call this just-in-time order. Just-in-time order should be scheduled backward from due date. Start as late as possible and end as late as possible, but keeping due date. And this red one, priority from 90 to 100, we call this rush order. Rush order should be scheduled forward. Start as soon as possible and end as soon as possible. Now you can make schedule. This is resource scan chart. You see these machines in your factory, and horizontal axis is time. And this gray area is working time. Only you should do is click this reschedule button. How can read the result of schedule? Click this. And order 1. First process start from 8:10 to 20:45, and this goes to Packer 1. Packer 1 start time is June 2nd, 22:45 to June 3rd, 16:45. And this goes to inspection. Inspection start June 3rd, 17:45 to June 6, 1950. And this is very rush order, so this scheduled first, and order 2 is scheduled second. And please look at this red one. Red one is this manufacturing order has delays because the due date is June 7th, but 12 o'clock, but the end time is June 7th, 17:05. So this is delay. What you can do is, one thing is what if simulation. For example, you select Saturday and Sunday and click right button and select day shift. You can see now this gray area where you can assign operations. And only you should do is click this reschedule button. These operations were assigned as Saturday and Sunday, and red character delay disappeared. Next, I'd like to show you this manufacturing order 3. This manufacturing order priority is 80, just-in-time order. Just-in-time orders should be scheduled backwards from due date. Due date is June 10th, 7 o'clock. And Asprova schedule first this last process, keeping due date start as late as possible. And then assign second process and then first process. And these 3 operations are synchronized. This kind of backward just-in-time order is very important for manufacturers because this scheduling reduces production lead time, because the waiting time between processes are minimal. This is 120 and here is 60, as you see in the integrated master editor, 120 and 60. And also this just-in-time backward scheduling reduces production inventory. Here the end time is just due date, so theoretically product inventory is 0 here. And moreover, working time inventory is very small because the time between processes are minimal. And you often receive sudden rush order from your important customer. Then you input here rush order and make product A, due date is June 7th, copy paste, quantity is only 10, and priority is 99.9, very high, and display color is pink. And you'd like to make new schedule considering our new rush order. But time passed to now 18 o'clock, so this operation is now ongoing. You must consider this operation's production result. Now you only end on 10. but you're making 50. You input 10 here, and you see this shadow, this portion is 10. This means that at this time this operation has delay. So only you should do, in order to make new schedule considering new rush order and this production result, only you should do is just click this reschedule button. You see this operation moved right to adjust the production result. And here you see new rush order schedule inserted here. And you find is that when you finish this production and you can answer to your customer when you can deliver this product. I explained one cycle of using Asprova. Some users of Asprova use Asprova once a week. Some users use Asprova once a day. Some users use Asprova more than once a day because of the changes of orders and situation. Asprova can make new schedule at any time.